Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Subscribe down below. And today I have a Costco haul, a grocery haul, and a clean with me, getting ready for company to come over. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I have a small Costco haul for you. So I'll start over here. I just got us the chicken taco kit for tonight. This is my favorite and it lasts so long. I usually get 2 lunches out of it also. So love this and the flavors are amazing. Some marbled cheese slices for Derek's ham sandwiches for work. Some soft and chewy granola bars for Derek's lunch. These are amazing. They come in a pack of 64 and they're only $9.99. So really good deal there and they're actually really good. Some turkey breasts for my lunches. I'm gonna freeze the 2 of these and then keep one out. Some bananas. I got a 5-pack of toothpaste. We need some here and at my parents' house, so I just got this 5-pack and we'll be good to go for a while. A big thing of Advil. We always buy this one and we are running low, so I got a new one. These liver bite treats. These are like, if you have a dog, they're gonna love these. They're very smelly. And they smell super good. Ruger loves these things and he can smell them from anywhere. 2 things of coffee. I was gonna leave one at my parents, but I forgot, so now I have 2. I'll bring one, but these are full to the brim. $9.99 for this massive thing. Really good deal. 2 things of bread for Derek's lunch, some English muffins for breakfast, and a big thing of peanut butter. I also got 2 waters, one for the shop and one for here, and then I got 2 other things, but it's in my bag because one of them is a Christmas present for Derek, so I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, I have a Walmart haul. So we'll start over here. I got some pizza mozzarella for Nan bread pizzas. We haven't had those in a while, so I thought what better way to I don't know what I was trying to say there, but I just got this for Nan bread pizzas. The 5 cheese dip, Derek's favorite. I got him this, he loves it. And then I got Polident retainers because I wear a retainer at night since I had Invisalign, and this cleans them. I got some coffee enhancer caramel macchiato. They didn't have the peppermint mocha one, which is the one we've been drinking and loving lately, so they were all sold out. So I don't think Derek's gonna like this one because I don't think he likes caramel, but he can finish the peppermint mocha we have, and then I'll have this one. Vanilla, banana, Greek yogurt. Basil for his sandwiches. Some cookies for Derek's lunch. Eggs, 2 green peppers. Some raspberries. I've been loving having raspberry yogurt parfaits lately, so I got some raspberries for that. 2 things of gum. We keep these in the car. Derek eats gum every day. 3 gala apples. 5 avocados. 2 sweet potatoes. Some ham on the weekends if we're home. Derek likes to eat like ham sandwiches like this, just an easy lunch. So last time we didn't have any, so I picked some up. Some diced tomatoes, keep in the cupboard. Rice cakes, I eat one every day. Broccoli, I can just throw this on a pan, easy peasy. I might make the barbecue chicken bowls that I really like making with sweet potato, broccoli, chicken, and cheese, and they're so good. I need a new printer paper for my Amazon returns. I got this Olay body wash. This one was like 10 bucks normally, but it's on sale, so I wouldn't usually pay 10 bucks, but it looks super fancy, and I really like pump lids, so I was excited about trying this one. It is the sugar and cocoa butter exfoliating and moisturizing. And these are the Nan breads for the pizzas. Bananas, honey. I've been using honey for my protein bites that I will leave a link in the up here about them, but they're really good, and the honey really makes them. You can make them maple syrup too, but I love them with the honey. And then some tomato sauce just to keep in the cupboard. And that was it. Oh no, and I also got my favorite sparkling water, raspberry lime. And then I got these Christmas balls They're really pretty, and I got them to put on my fireplace mantle along with this. And then I have a sign that's white and gray, and then I have some lights, and I'm gonna try to find some garland, and then I'm gonna put all that and have like a white and light theme up there. I'm gonna try to get in the spirit this year more than normal, because usually I'm not like that into decorating, but I'm just gonna try to do my mantle really cute because I feel like that would make me happy. So that is the start of it. I'm not really good at decorating, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, update. This is amazing. Where is it? Super good. Super excited about that. Okay, so I have 2 hours to get all my stuff done before my company comes over. So today I already had grocery shopped, worked out, went to the dog park, which is my forever happy place, and he likes it too. Then I showered, did my makeup. I just have to blow dry my hair still and get to cleaning because my house is a disaster. Let me show you. This is how it turns out after me like covered doors open. Like I leave everything open, everything everywhere, random things. So I just need to pick up, and then there's a Ruger to bring this downstairs. I want to decorate my mantle. I'm gonna clean the bathroom because my company will probably use it, make my bed. This is the real treat. And if you watched my videos before, you know these were drying. That's why they're here. You know that this room to me, oh my gosh, I cannot keep this thing clean. But it's because we're at my parents' house, so I just did all this laundry. And Derek has 2 laundry baskets that he hasn't put away yet, so I'll probably have to do that. And let's just work through this, get stuff done, blow dry my hair, and get ready for my company to come over.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
leather mechanics gloves for Derek, two pairs, and they're water resistant and they have like a touchscreen thing on them, so that he can use his phone. So those would be good for the winter. And then I'll show you the sweater I got. So I got this fleece zip up sweater, and it is a size small and it's pretty big, but I bought it for snowmobiling, and it was only $10 or $13 or $10, I can't remember, but it's gonna be good for like my layer under my coat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.